Let's talk about rooibos tea today, aka African rooibos tea, aka red tea, aka bush tea, aka African bush tea, aka the good stuff. This gorgeous plant is native to Cape Town, South Africa. It's been consumed by the Bushmen, the Zulu warriors for centuries now. They drink the tea in order to give them greater strength and endurance, the same way the ancient Aztecs and the ancient Mayans used to consume chia water. We know that they took the chia seeds, they would fill them in containers with water, allow the seeds to rehydrate, and then they would take them with them when they went out to battle the other tribes. They took the chia seeds because it gave them extra strength, extra endurance. It was an endurance food, that is, before it was reduced to being used to create a houseplant. In the same way, rooibos tea was consumed by the Zulu warriors. It was consumed as an endurance food. It is excellent at cleansing the blood, healing the blood, and strengthening the bones. This particular plant is going to boost your circulation. It reduces blood pressure. It reduces cholesterol, and the magnesium and the zinc alone are helping to aid in the production of testosterone. The quercetin alone is helping to give you more endurance. So you got to know that a plant that's doing all of this, that is not only healing to the blood, healing to the bones, is balancing to both the root and the heart chakra at the same time. This is an excellent superfood, and you need to try some today. Take care.